Earth dodges a bullet. But what if the moon takes the hit instead? Meet asteroid 2025 QX1. Scientists once thought it might threaten Earth, but guess what? Now, it's on a path that could take it straight to the moon. So, what would happen if this giant space rock smashes into the moon at insane speeds? We're talking a fresh giant crater, maybe big enough to spot with your backyard telescope. But here's the twist. The impact could launch debris into space, and some of it might even get nudged toward us. Time to duck and cover? Not quite. But our satellites might have a tough day at the office, and tides on Earth could get a little wobbly. Don't panic though, the moon isn't going anywhere. It's survived billions of years dodging cosmic punches. The worst case scenario? Some new lunar scars, maybe a little extra space junk, but no lunar apocalypse. And how cool would it be to witness a real-time interplanetary collision? Space never fails to surprise us. If you love this kind of out-of-this-world content, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment. What would you do if you saw the moon get smacked by an asteroid? Let's geek out together.